Hey, it's Dragon Dawn. This is a mini model of the bed platform for my Honda Element. It's part of my RemoteRig set, a mobile workspace with tech support on the road. Here's how I mocked it up and what I learned. Show and tell time. So what we have here is the basis of the new platform frame that I'm going to put into my Element. This is just the frame part. There are going to be legs that lift it up to give it the proper height that I need and some storage underneath. So I took some popsicle sticks and laid out a basic frame idea. Now this isn't quite complete, so what's gonna go on top is something like that, and this is another piece. So I have, it's in the vehicle, this guy right here, the IKEA, what's it, Leroy, and it's just their mattress frame, and they have straps between it, so this kind of can roll up and roll down or just fold together. Because I was going to build that, and you know what? For wow, $42 plus tax. It's regularly $50, but if you get the free family thing, that's $8 off. That's notable. Anyways, yeah, I couldn't really build it for $42 and plus the work. So it's as natural wood as I can get. Worthwhile. So the goal is basically to have this so that I could just roll it up, access the storage spaces, and put it back. Mind you, there's going to be a gap in here, so you put access it there. But if I need to, taking this out, it's going to be super easy. Now, why this one is separate, I'll have to move this out of the way. So the total space between the back of my vehicle and the front of the seats, when the seats are pushed forward, is about 73 inches, almost 72 inches. So I've got the seats pushed forward, and this has got just another kind of frame underneath it. And when the seats need to be pushed back so I can drive or have a passenger, I have to take this out. Let's put this back. Take this out. Put it there. Oh, except for the tape that sticks to my thumb. Put it again. Put it there. So it's just stored out of the way when I'm driving. Then when I go to sleep, put it back. And then take this and use it as a bench outside even. Now this isn't exactly to scale. Like this piece that's being removed technically would be 12 inches. But this is just kind of get the idea. And it's a good thing I did this, so I know how much wood I'm actually going to need to build the frames. These are going to be 2x4s, there's going to be 3 of them. And then with cross braces, the center one, that's why these don't need to be very thick. Although even with, it will need, no, come back, because they actually are doubled, so the center support is going to go right between the two. And just to give me lots of room, there's roughly 4'4" is the smallest space between the wheel wells, so they kind of insert into the vehicle. This frame, and let's see, measurements. So it is, well, width is 52 centimeters, but this is going up high. So effectively this frame would be sitting below it. So the only width I'm really worried about is this. Because when I said this 48 inches, that's on the bottom. There's a piece on my floor that kind of comes in a little bit. Between that indent on both sides is 48 inches. But it's on a really steep angle, so it only takes a couple of seconds, a couple of inches to lift this up, and it's over it. So this space with that on top, that should be fine. That'd be kind of cool. Next step is to actually get the 2x4s, do the measurements again, make sure I'm cutting them out to the right size, and the brackets to put them all together. Then I have a bed platform with storage. If you're building your own setup, from platform beds to mobile workstations, I've got tools and devices that can help. Check out remoterig.com for free tips and a quick 15-minute chat.